The United States has a rich history of industrial might, but what happens when those vital industries disappear? Join us as we explore the lost industries of America. We'll delve into the rise and fall of major American sectors that once defined our economy and culture. Every industry has a life cycle. We look at the dramatic shifts that led to the decline of America's manufacturing strongholds. From globalization to technological innovation, a complex mix of factors caused these industries to contract or move overseas. We start in New England, where textile manufacturing powered the early American economy, built on the Merrimack River and innovative mill designs. The 19th and early 20th centuries saw these factories at their peak, mass-producing goods that clothed a growing nation. The search for cheaper labor first shifted textile production to the American South, and later global trade routes facilitated a massive move overseas. The resulting mill closures devastated countless New England towns, leading to economic hardship and a search for new identities. Next, we move to the Rust Belt, examining the industry that forged America's infrastructure, steel production. Cities like Pittsburgh were once the beating heart of American steel, powerful manufacturing hubs that drove national growth. Increased foreign competition and shifts in technology led to widespread closures, leaving behind iconic yet abandoned steel mills. Today, these regions are focusing on revitalization, transitioning from heavy industry to technology, healthcare, and advanced manufacturing. Finally, we examine the titans of the American road, the automotive industry, particularly in Detroit. Detroit's golden age cemented mass production innovation, putting the world on wheels and creating vast prosperity. The oil crises and fierce competition from overseas manufacturers forced a painful restructuring of the automotive sector, severely impacting the city of Detroit. The industry is now undergoing a massive transformation with the rise of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology, pointing toward a new future. The stories of these lost industries are more than just history. They offer profound lessons for our future economy. The legacy of these industrial behemoths continues to shape the American identity, inspiring resilience and innovation. Moving forward, understanding these past economic shifts is crucial to adapting, focusing on new technologies, and building a stronger, more resilient economy.